How to share Facebook Reels to Story. Open Facebook. Find the reel that you would like to share. Tap on the Reels icon. You can see various reels over here. When you find the reel that you would like to share, tap on the share icon that you can see on the screen. You can see various options over here. Tap on the option Your Story that you can see at bottom. Now you can add it to the story. You can add audio, stickers, text, mentions and effects if you want. You can also select if you want to make this story public or private. Tap on the option selected right now. Tap on the option of your choice. Tap on the option Save. Once you do that, go back. Tap on the option Share that you can see on the screen. Wait for a while. Now the reel has been shared to your Facebook story. Like this, you can share reel to your story. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.